This is how you can change your view on Zoom. So often when you join a Zoom call, it's going to put you into this big view where the featured speaker will kind of show up at the top and they'll be really big. But it is nice to be able to see everyone. So to do that, you come up here to the right and you can click gallery view. And now you can see that we have little tiles that are going to be the same size. As more people join your meeting, you will see more and more tiles appear. After there's 25 people, then a second page will start. So over here on the right, you'll see an arrow, and you can click that arrow to go between the two pages. If you want to go back to speaker view, maybe your teacher is explaining an important concept and you want to make sure you can focus on him or her, you can click speaker view, and that'll put the speaker back into the main big window for you to follow.